Hello everyone, and today I will show you how to download Xeno Executor for free. So first of all, you need to check description or the top comment and get by the link on site xenoexecutor.in. So when you're on this page, you need to click installation, read here all steps, and just follow them. So let's click download button. We can download it wherever we want. Okay, when the Xeno RAR is downloaded, we just open it. And now we need to follow our steps. So first of all, we need to disable real-time rotation so files are not blocked or removed during install. So let's do it. In search, we need to check Windows security. So we click virus threat protection, manage settings, and then we click here. We need to turn off real-time protection. Then we can turn it on, but this time we need to turn it off. Then when we downloaded our RAR file, we go to the desktop and let's create some folder. Let's name it Xeno. Then we need to put all our files in this folder. The password is 111. And when we put it in our folder, let's start Xeno Exec. More, run anyway, and let's just wait. So we got in our Xeno. Let's check what we have here. So we have here settings. I recommend you to put this on auto attach so that automatically attach your Roblox when you will open it up. Then we have here script hub where you can find all the scripts for all places in Roblox. You can filter them by free or whatever you want. And now let's put it on Executr. I downloaded some scripts to show you up. So now let's start Roblox. You can see now a new client is connected. So Xeno is already attached to our Roblox. Here it is. So here I will show you by place called Murder Mystery 2. Let's start it. And now we can get in our Xeno in Executr button, and here you need to push this button, execute, when you're already in place. So you can see when I put execute, I have launched my script. I put here launch, Easy Hub is executing, and now I can click here, exclusive V2, and check all places whatever I want. So I will choose Murder Mystery 2. Okay, it's executed, and now we can use it. So let's wait for the round end, or I can use it already. No, so yeah, we need to wait. Round started, and I will show you up what I can do with it. Or now you can see I can teleport to her. I can like do it. She can kill me, and something like that. So